Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lip gloss using TKB's lip gloss base, but I do it a little bit differently because sometimes I like to suspend glitter and things in different shapes into the lip gloss, and this will suspend it and keep it from settling to the bottom of your tube. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to put a teaspoon of the TKB gloss base. That's 1 tea. Okay. So that's 1 teaspoon. And then the next thing I want to put is 1/4 of a teaspoon of jojoba oil and 1/4 of a teaspoon of castor oil. Let me find my 1/4. Okay. All right, that's your jojoba oil. Always put your lid back on things because if you knock that over, it's a lot of wasted product and a huge mess to try to clean. Okay, so that's your jojoba. Now I want to put the castor oil. This is my 1/4 spoon, so I'm going to wipe this out. And I usually keep 91% alcohol on the paper towels, so it's just quicker to do. All right, and we're going to put the 1/4 teaspoon of castor oil. Okay, and that makes your base. So what I'm going to put in this one, because I want to tint it and I want to make it just like a little bit pink, you can either use it by itself or you can put it over a lipstick. So what I want to put is 1 tad, and this one is called Pearl Pink. This is a mica powder I get from TKB Trading. Put that. And then all you have to do is stir. This is kind of my favorite one with this recipe. I like it a lot better. But I'm going to be showing you a lot of other lip gloss recipes that you'll make from scratch without using a base. So that would be with the color. And what I did before, if you just left it clear, you could put a little fragrance in it. You could put a flavoring. And then sometimes, like for my grandbaby, I'll put little unicorns in it. And it makes a cute lip gloss. Okay, that's how easy that is. So this is a lip gloss made with TKB gloss base, 1/4 teaspoon of castor oil, 1/4 teaspoon of jojoba oil, and then you only use 1 teaspoon of the gloss base, and this will fill a 5 ml lip gloss tube. Okay. This is the lip gloss that I made earlier, and this is New Orleans Potions Pink. So all I want to do in this video is show you how the color came out. And we're just going to do a few swipes. So you use this more for a full color. If you wanted this to be more of a lip gloss, you would just put less of the color in. Okay, this was New Orleans Potions Pink lip gloss.